a whole 47 minutes of live streaming, and there's nothing I can show to my viewers. A whole 47 guys black screen. So this is what I encountered when I was doing YouTube live streaming. Unfortunately, I'm not able to. You can hear my voice, but you cannot follow step by step training that I was doing, and I either have to delete and redo it to do the whole thing, or create an entire video showing you this. But at the same time, I have learned how to do screen sharing the proper way when you're doing YouTube live streaming. And in this video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to do the same so that in your next live streaming, if you want to do screen sharing, you don't get disappointed like me. Keep it here. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to YouTube and search for OBS Studio. And then depending on the whether you're using Windows, this or that, you select the support system or the system that you're using. For me, I'm using Windows, so I selected Windows, and it's once it downloads, I'm going to take you through on how to install it. When you're done downloading, just install it the way you normally do it, and then open. This pop-up will open. Just click next. Then come here and choose YouTube. You can either connect account recommended, so you can connect it to your Gmail account or the account that you use with YouTube, or get the stream key, which is found within your YouTube live streaming area. Let me show you how you get that. So you go to your YouTube and then select live. You want to go live. Then of course this will open. Then select stream so that you get the code that we want to use to connect the studio to our YouTube account. Just a second. Here is the key. So just click on copy, then head back to OBS. So we're here. In my case, I'm going to use this stream key, and then click on that space, right click, and then paste. Then go next. And here it's connecting. Once it's done, apply settings. So this may pop up just asking you to connect to YouTube. So you just need to sign in using your YouTube account. If you like this video, give it a like, share, and follow me. Also, once you're done connecting, you can go down here at the settings just to make sure that everything is fine to your liking, and then go to output. Okay, just check everything is the way you'd like it to be. Select the mic. I'll leave it at default. So the base resolution here is 1920 by 1080. Output resolution, I want mine to be the same. This, I'll put it at 30. Yeah. Okay. So when you make any changes, make sure you click on apply. In case you experience lagging when you're recording, you just need to come back to settings and then change the quality of, you can downscale the quality of your video. And output is where you can change the quality of your video. I can leave it at that. Okay. The next thing we are going to create a scene. So come to this box and then click on the plus button. Then we can name it scene 1. Okay. Then come to sources. Click this. Select display capture and then OK. And then select the capture method. Windows, automatic. I think we're going to try this. Display, primary monitor. Yeah, so it is. Okay, so then we say okay. And we're good to go. So I come here and say start streaming. So it's already streaming. But let's go to the YouTube channel. I can see it's lagging, so let's go back to our settings. Let's stop streaming first. Let's go to our output. You can see it's lagging. It's not smooth. Let's lower this. So after reducing the quality of video output, you can see I got an excellent and it's not lagging as it used to. And so we're good to go. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you like this, if it has been helpful, give it a share, give it a like, and follow me for more. And now let's continue recording our social media template creation using Canva. See you guys on the next one.